Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, by Roald Dahl, is a beloved children's novel that tells the enchanting tale of young Charlie Bucket's extraordinary journey through Willy Wonka's whimsical and fantastical chocolate factory. Filled with vibrant characters, magical settings, and moral lessons, the story captures the imagination of readers of all ages. The novel follows the impoverished and kind-hearted Charlie Bucket, who lives with his parents and grandparents in a small, dilapidated house. Charlie's family struggles to make ends meet, and as a treat, Charlie receives a single chocolate bar on his birthday. He dreams of visiting Willy Wonka's renowned chocolate factory, a place of wonder and mystery. The factory has been closed to the public for years, but one day, Wonka announces a worldwide contest. 5 golden tickets have been hidden in Wonka bars, granting the lucky finders a tour of the factory and a lifetime supply of chocolate. As news of the golden tickets spreads, children around the world become obsessed with finding them. Through a series of fortunate events, Charlie miraculously discovers the final golden ticket. Along with 4 other children who have also found golden tickets, Charlie enters the chocolate factory for a once-in-a-lifetime adventure. The other ticket holders include the gluttonous Augustus Gloop, the spoiled Veruca Salt, the gum-chewing Violet Beauregard, and the television-obsessed Mike TV. Led by the eccentric and enigmatic Willy Wonka, the children and their accompanying guardians embark on a whimsical tour of the factory's astonishing rooms, each more magical than the last. These rooms include the chocolate room, the inventing room, the nut room, and the television chocolate room. Throughout the tour, the children's flaws and vices lead to hilarious and often disastrous consequences. As the tour progresses, the children's numbers dwindle due to their misbehavior, leaving only Charlie remaining. Wonka reveals that the tour was also a test to find an heir who possesses good morals and character. Impressed by Charlie's kindness and humility, Wonka names him as the factory's future owner, proving that virtue is more valuable than material possessions. The novel concludes on a heartwarming note, as Wonka and Charlie's grandpa Joe invite the Bucket family to live in the factory, where they will be surrounded by joy and creativity. The story ends with the promise of endless adventures and happiness for Charlie and his family. Charlie and the Chocolate Factory is more than just a delightful story. It imparts important life lessons about the consequences of bad behavior and the rewards of honesty and goodness. Roald Dahl's whimsical writing style, vivid descriptions, and unforgettable characters continue to capture the hearts of readers young and old, making it a timeless tale of imagination, morality, and the transformative power of a little bit of magic. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for other interesting book summaries.